Hi, my name is Mark, and today I'll get through the demo of API integration with GiniMachine. And before we jump into technical details, let's explore the interface a bit. So this is the main screen, and if we just scroll down up until the footer, so we can find an API documentation link. Let's click on it. So this page is publicly available, so we can come back to it at any time soon. So this page contains two main logical blocks. First is authentication block, and the second block is API endpoints description. So first we need to pass authentication, and in order to do so we need to have an API key. So let's process with an instruction and click on the link to profile. So here we see the generate button that helps us to generate our token. Let's click on it. So here is the token, and keep in mind whenever we update this page the token will be gone, so make sure to save it into the safe place. So I just click the token. So and I pass this token into Postman. So here it is, the token itself and the URL to the interface. The URL can be found in the documentation as well. So let's get back to the endpoint itself. So here there is actually one query param, which is model ID. So the model that was already built with GiniMachine, and it's the direction where our applications will be going for scoring. So authorization, and here is the API key we just generated, and the most important part is the body itself. So the body contains the application information, and the columns itself should be matching with the columns of the files that was used in order to build the model. So actually accept the OK column, because this is the result column that we would love to predict. So the model ID can be easily found in the interface itself. So if we go to scoring models, and here all the models that were built in our system, and here is the IDs. So I just simply get the model with ID 1818. So I put this ID into the Postman interface. So and alright, all is ready. Let's actually send the request. So here is the response. So we got the prediction with a score 0.98. So the resolution was approved based on the cutoffs that was selected in the GiniMachine interface. So another kind of option that we would love to get the result as well as the interpretation of the score. Let's send a request to the model with ID 1818. So and we get not only the score but the interpretation of the score, the effects, the negative and positive effects on the score. So and there is for sure an option to process with a batch scoring. So and actually if you want to score two applications simultaneously as a batch, so let's just simply fill in one more application, and here is a list, the array of applications, and let's send the request. So yeah, and we got the array of predictions back. We see there are two scores, two resolutions, and the ID of each and every application that got scored with the GiniMachine. Thanks.